Hello everyone, welcome back. We had an issue with the brakes on the 8.8. We're going to figure out how to get disc brakes on the back of this on a tight budget. The bolt-on kit I was going to order was close to $400, and the kit that I got now is like $220 off of eBay. What we're going to do is weld the disc brake mounts right to the housing. We used to do it when I used to run stock car, when I helped out on a stock car way back when, many chins ago, before I gained about another 40 pounds. But anyways, we're going to get after it today, and I'll show you everything, how it goes and how to do it. Thank you. I got on eBay and ordered this kit off Southwest Speed. The rotors are drilled for both bolt patterns, 4.5 and 4 3/4. So Chevy or Ford bolt pattern comes with these brackets, brand new pads and calipers. The calipers are for a 78 to 88 Malibu, which is perfect for this. That way I know what to buy brake pads for. I bought other kits off of Jegs, and I have no idea what to buy pads for the rear calipers. At least this I know. And we're going to try it out and see if it works. Kids are at school today, so I'm on my own. Here I go again on my own. The whole problem with not getting a bolt-on kit from Quick Performance was this end flange right here behind the axle. They didn't have one to fit that bolt pattern, and like I said, we're going to try to make this other deal work and see what happens. And our first problem is the holes ain't drilled out for 1/2-inch studs, so we got to drill those out. And they're still not drilled out for 1/2-inch studs. There we go. Put a couple lug nuts. The calipers from Southwest Speed are marked left and right. Make sure your bleeder's always facing upwards or you will never get it bled out. Ask me how I know. One day we had another rear end housing come in when we were dirt racing. And I don't know how much brake fluid we went through, and I had the brake bleeder facing down, but that's how you learn. You make mistakes and keep going. That's why I keep telling my kids, things get messed up sometimes, but you'll never do it again. There she is, guys, all welded up. I think it turned out rather well. We're going to throw the rim on, make sure everything's cool. So there you go, guys. For under 250 bucks, you can have a rear disc brake kit. It's set up for a 3-inch axle tube. If you got a 3-inch axle tube, you should be good to go. Actually, the end of this axle tube was like 288, but with welding it, it didn't make much difference, as you can see. So if you got a 4 9-inch or a 12 bolt, I'm not sure what the 10 bolt axle tubes are, but I know on those two for sure they're 3-inch, so you can weld those brackets right up to it. For under 250 bucks, you get brand new calipers, brand new rotors, and brackets and pads. Thanks for watching.